Hello, good morning. So today is our day three of bug bounty hunting journey. And in the last class, we have discussed about some lab setup, some introduction to cybersecurity, introduction to bug bounty hunting, some common bug bounty hunting platforms, right? So today we are going to dive into the ethical hacking methodologies, the approach for an ethical hacker need to follow, or a bug bounty hunter need to follow. So let's start. One second. Okay, fine. So just you can take the screenshot. We have already discussed what is ethical hacking, what's their goals and all. So ethical hackers or bug bounty hunter need to follow a certain step or systematic approach in order to conduct their assessment. So today we are going to discuss with an example of thief. Okay, imagine a skilled thief named Jerry. He is our guide through this training. Okay, demonstrating how bug bounty hunters like him can spot the weakness before the real bad guys do. First step, planning and reconnaissance or information gathering. Before Terry tries breaking into the building, he observes it from the distance, right? In bug bounty hunting, information gathering involves gathering the information about the target, like finding the open ports or exposed services like that. Second one is footprinting. Now, Terry wants to identify the weak spot in that building. In bug bounty hunting, footprinting is about the discovering potential vulnerabilities. Bug bounty hunters might use tools to scan for publicly available informations like domain registrations or network infrastructure details. Third one is vulnerability analysis. Now, Terry knows the weak points. So, bug bounty hunters use tools to find the vulnerabilities in the digital space. Imagine finding a weak lock. In bug bounty hunting, it could be using scanners to identify vulnerabilities in the web application or network. Fourth one is exploitation. Now, Terry make his move to break in. Bug bounty hunters attempt to exploit the identified vulnerabilities. Exploiting a software flaw to gain unauthorized access is like Terry finding an unlocked window to sneak in. Fifth one is post exploitation. So now Terry is inside the building. So bug bounty hunters assess the impact of their finding. If Terry finds a room within a sensitive information, he'd report it, right? Similarly, hunters report their discoveries to the organization, to the company. Eighth one is analysis and reporting. Just like a thief covers their track, bug bounty hunters document everything for a detailed report. The report includes the tools used, vulnerabilities found, and the recommendation for fixing them. We will discuss how to submit a report in various platforms later. Okay, seventh one, cleanup and debriefing. So now Terry wants to leave no trace. Bug bounty hunters ensure they don't cause harm and reward changes made during the testing. Cleaning up after a haste is like bug bounty hunters ensuring systems are back to their original state after testing. So, by thinking like a thief for a good cause, you are on a way to become an ethical hacking superheroes. Once again. And that's all for this video. And we will discuss more things in the next video. Hope you understood the concept of ethical hacking methodology and what we have to do, what the step that we need to follow as a bug bounty hunter or as a pen tester or ethical hacker. So you can get the video here and we will upload the second part today itself. Thank you.